Hi there, I'm Andrew Deaton. I'm the owner of AWD Development Solutions and I'm the creator of the Exceptional Team Blueprint. And my business helps other ambitious businesses to develop their people and to develop their teams so that they can grow those businesses. I've got a particular focus on helping to develop high-performing teams, and I created my Exceptional Team Blueprint framework to be a very practical and pragmatic way to help to build exceptional teams and to develop exceptional team members and team leaders. I set up AWD Development Solutions 6 years ago, and that was after I'd been made redundant from working at Rolls-Royce, where I'd worked for 26 years. And I thought, if I don't give running my own business a go, I'll look back and I'll regret it. And I set up so that I could focus on doing the sort of work that I really enjoyed doing, and that was around developing people and developing teams. And I wanted to bring my specialist people and team development experience and expertise to help small and medium-sized businesses to develop their people. My initial background in engineering gave me a really practical, pragmatic, creative approach. And when I combine that with my HR and development experience, it's a really powerful combination. Also, my experience of leading teams of over 50 people gave me a really practical and real-world perspective. Whilst I was at Rolls-Royce, I was fortunate enough to work for some really great team leaders as a member of some really great teams. And I also led teams of up to 50 people myself. And so I've got a really real world practical experience of team working and team leadership. And when I set up the business, I wanted to take that experience and take what I'd observed in other really great team leaders and create a framework that I could use in my training and my development of other businesses to help them. And that's where the Exceptional Team Blueprint was created. I wanted to build something that was practical, that people could use on a daily basis, that wasn't too theoretical, that would really help them build and develop those exceptional teams. So just a quick overview of the sort of things that I do. First of all, I design and deliver training workshops. So these can be workshops for individuals to help them with things like leadership skills, communication skills, presentation skills. They can be for teams to help build high-performing teams, and they can be to help solve problems and issues, identify process improvements, things like that. The second things that I do are design and facilitate meetings, away days and events. So these can be all company-wide events or they can be specific team events. Thirdly, I coach individuals and teams either remotely or face-to-face. And finally, I deliver consultancy around employee development strategy, process implementation, those sort of areas. I've also written 2 books. They are based on the Exceptional Team Blueprint framework. The first book is very much a workbook. It's practical. I want people to write in it. It goes through a series of questions and activities and tools and tips. And I want people to use that book to actually help them improve how they perform as a team member or a team leader. The second book is a reduced version, just focusing on the key points, but I've added a section around planning. So this helps people to plan their year, to plan their month, to plan their week, to plan their day, so that they can make sure that they're working as effectively as a team towards the goals that they need to. So how have I had to adapt over the last few months? Obviously, my face-to-face delivery has just disappeared totally. So I've now moved to full virtual remote delivery. I use Zoom, I use packages like this, Mural, to help create interaction, to create collaboration opportunities, and so on. I've developed offerings that help teams to rebuild as they start to come back to work from furlough or from remote working. helping businesses to rebuild those teams and effectively start again, look for how to do things better, look for how the experience that they've been through can be taken forward to improve how they used to work. And I've also had to develop a lot of online training offerings, either for individuals or for small businesses and teams. So I've had to adapt quite significantly to this new way of working. The purpose of AWD Development Solutions is growth. So I develop people and teams so that they can grow themselves and grow the business. And I think that being part of the SmallBiz100 would really help me and my business to grow. It will give exceptional visibility and exceptional exposure if I could be selected as one of those SmallBiz100. I've supported Small Business Saturday for the last 5 years, and I've actually entered the Small Business 100 for the last 4 years. And during my Small Business Saturday experiences, I've met a lot of previous winners, sort of from 2014 through to 2019. We've been quite fortunate in the Derbyshire region to have quite a lot of winners, and I've seen and talked to them. I understand the positive impact that being a SmallBiz100 winner has made to them and their business. I think it's really important as owners of small businesses that we support each other in positive ways, we share our experiences and we share the lessons that we've learned. And I also think that we should promote the idea of starting your own small businesses wherever we can. And I think being part of that SmallBiz100 community is a fantastic way to do that. I've got a few ideas how I would support Small Business Saturday this year. First of all, I'll attend the conference and exhibition that runs every year in Derby. I've attended that for the last 5 years. I've exhibited there for the last 4 years. So I'd support that by having a stand at that exhibition first of all. Then in the week running up to Small Business Saturday, I would offer some free online training sessions specifically targeted at small business owners who might not otherwise get the opportunity to receive any personal development. And that would help them to develop personally, it would help them to grow their business. And I'll also do that on my allocated Small Business 100 day. Another thing that I'd do is I'll offer reduced cost services to small business owners, and also I'll reduce the price of my books on Amazon for the week leading up to Small Business Saturday. A final thought that I've had is that I'll set up a mastermind group for owners of small businesses, and this will provide a support network for people to come together to bounce ideas around, to get support, to get advice from other small business owners. And if that concept works, I'll expand it and set up other mastermind groups, and I'll build a community of small business owners who've got that support around them, who can share their issues and help each other through difficult times, but also help each other to grow their businesses. So thanks for watching my video. I'm Andrew Deaton, the owner of AWD Development Solutions and the creator of the Exceptional Team Blueprint. And I develop people and teams so that they can grow businesses.